In part 2 of the identification tutorials, we're going to show you how to add special instructions. Scrolling down to the identification parameters, you can see under special instructions, inside the AutoCAD property box, we have what we call a little dialog box. It's got a different preview than the arrows you see here in the floor, zone, and system numbers. In order to add a new list of special instructions, we need to go back into the library on the PractiCAD ribbon and then go to the Preset section and choose Identification. On the left-hand side, we're going to click on this little plus key to make sure our choices are open. We're going to select Identification, and under Type, we're going to go to Special Instructions. We're going to add a special instruction by clicking on the green checkbox, and we're going to call this special instruction Access Door. Then we're going to add a second special instruction, and we're just going to call it Use Glue. Once we've given the entire list of special instructions into the library, all we need to do is click the Save key and then Close. Now if we click on the ductwork and go to the Identification properties, we will see if we click on the little dialog box, we're going to click now, that we have the choice to select both Access Door and Use Glue. That is the main difference between the dialog box and the drop-down menu. Drop-down menus, you can only choose one choice. Dialog boxes, you could choose a multitude of choices. The main reason for special instructions, as well as floor, zone, and system number, is the identification properties can appear on the labels when you download to PractiCAD. You can see here we have ductwork piece number 0. If we go over to PractiCAD, we can see here that we've got the rectangular duct downloaded with piece number 0 inside PractiCAD. And by double clicking on our fitting and going into the properties inside the takeoff field, we can see that the Use Glue and Access Door fields have been downloaded in the Special Instructions property. This can now be placed on a label or any PractiCAD report. Also, special instructions, just like any other identification parameter, can be placed in PractiCAD reports.